to his rescue.
There's more.
A mother must marry off her daughter or risk losing her legacy. In brand new Mother of the Brides. And what's the festive season with a Boxing Day Premier League football? Blockbuster fixtures are on the menu. Get stuck in. Little ones, get ready to go on an epic adventure with Dora the Explorer.
We have to be brave.
For more entertainment for the whole family, upgrade to DSTV Compact today. Big players.
That's charging. The system has to not charge it. That's a load of bypass. That's the battery. That's the system has to not charge it. So let me off the boots. Lay off the boots. So the input is off. So that's the load. Battery remaining 24.
It's a misunderstanding between parents, grandparents, nannies.
Hi, I'm Marissa. I'm here to pick up my son Milo. There's no Milo here.
But Milo's been missing for nearly 5 hours now. It's a misunderstanding.
Do you think that he's gone?
I don't think that. I'm gonna need the name of everyone that could have a connection.
You don't understand. There's just the people in this room.
I think even good people can do bad things if
So
it's
that's
just
system electricity.
Whatever it takes to get my son back.
So the load is off the sensor.
Colin and Leah are all lying to me.
The input is on now.
26 January at 10 p.m.
So let's see.
Exclusive to Mnet.
I love advertising. I love coming up with ideas. That's why I started the on-brand agency to find the next big innovator. This is gonna be so cool. I hired 10 everyday Americans to create billboards, taglines, and commercials for real.
So the charging is back.
You're gonna get ideas to drive big sales. We want a catchy jingle.
A live experience.
We're spending millions of dollars.
That's loud. It's charging.
Or you're going home.
System is charging.
It's a
It has
1 in a million
gone.
chance.
We need to see life-changing.
So